वेलकम एवरीवन। चलो नेक्स्ट 100 আমি কভার করো, ঠিক আছে? তো লাস্ট পার্টিশন অফ বেঙ্গল 1905 তাহলে কেমন হবে বুঝলে? ওকে ওকে লেটস স্টার্ট। গ্রিনহাউস গ্যাসেস ওয়ার্ম দ্য অ্যাটমসফিয়ার বাই ট্র্যাপিং দ্য হিট। ঠিক আছে, গ্রিনহাউস গ্যাসেস বিলাক কি কৰে? ওকে, যেনেকৈ CO2 যেতিয়া এটা লেয়াৰ বনাই থৈ দিয়ে, ঠিক আছে, তো ছানৰেজ কি হয় যেতিয়া এণ্টাৰ কৰে, কিন্তু হিটটো যে তাৰ পৰা ওলাই যাব নিদিয়ে। ওকে, তো আল্টিমেটলি হিটটো ৰাখি থৈ দিয়ে, ডেট ইজ ট্ৰেপিং দ্য হিট, যাৰ কাৰণে আমাৰ আৰ্থটো যোনটো হয় গৰম হৈ যায়। Which place is developed as solar city in Madhya Pradesh? That is Sanchi. Which famous temple in Madhya Pradesh is dedicated to the Hindu goddess Shakti and is known for its unique architecture? That is Chausat Yogini Temple. Which temple in Madhya Pradesh is dedicated to the sun god and is known for its unique architecture that allows the first rays of the sun to fall on the island? That is Sun Temple, Gwalior. Which hill station in Madhya Pradesh is famous for its stunning panoramic view and is home to a number of ancient temples? That is Pachmarhi, that is Queen of Satpura, also known as Queen of Satpura. ঠিক আছে, panoramic view কেনেকুৱা? এই লম্বাকে যে টানি দিব পাৰি যে, ঠিক আছে, ভাৰ্টিকেলি বা হৰাইজন্টেলি, that is called panoramic view. মোবাইলত যোনটো ভিউ আছে panoramic সেইটোৱে। The largest fort in Madhya Pradesh, that is Gwalior Fort. Sukapha migrated from his homeland Maulung in the year 1215. The first armed conflict between the Ahoms and the Kamata took place during the reign of which king? That is Sukhangfa. Okay, Khan. Sukhangfa, reign of which king? Okay, and the Kamata. K for Kamata, K for Khangfa. Okay. Tayo Khamti was the father of which famous king? Sudangfa. Tayo Khamti was the father of Sudangfa. Name the Kachari Raja who was placed in the throne as a tributary king by Suhumung after defeating the Kachari in the Ahom Kachari War of 1531. That is Dekchung. ঠিক আছে, এনে কি হয় পুতলা পুতলা টাইপ রাখি ধরেছিলে, তো ডেট DEATH, হ্যাঁ ডেট, তো ডেটচুং, ঠিক আছে, ডেট মানে খতম। ওকে, উইল রিমেম্বার ইন দ্যাট ওয়ে। কাক বাহার দিছিলে? ডেটচুং। Who was the Ahom ruler during the first Ahom coach in 1563? That is Suklengmung. First Ahom coach war in 1563, ঠিক আছে, তেতিয়া আহোম রুলারটো কোন আছিল? Suklengmung. The reign of which Ahom king marked beginning of the official entry of Hinduism into Ahom court? That is Sudangfa. কোনে অ্যালাউ করেছিল হিন্দুইজম? ঠিক আছে, that is Sudangfa. The post of Borgohain was first created during the reign of Sukafa. Who was the first Borgohain? তো Sukafa তো ক্রিয়েট করেছিল, the first Borgohain কোনে আছিল? That is Kanangan. Tipam, the first headquarter of Ahom established by Sukafa, lies in the area between Buri Dihing and Disang. তো Disang আর Buri Dihing এর মাঝে কোন আছে? Tipam. The famous Kamata prince Ragini gifted to Ahom king Sukangfa after the first Ahom Kamata war was the daughter of which Kamata king? That is Pratapdhwaj. During the reign of Sudangfa, the conflict between Ahoms and the Nara king of Mungkang took place. What was demarcated as the boundary between the two forces? That is Patkai Hills. After the suppression of the Tipamia rebellion, Sudangfa shifted his capital to which place? That is Charaguya near Dihing. Konsing, the first Barpatro Gohai, was better known as Senglung. The first Ahom coach war took place during the reign of which king in the year 1546? Suklangmung. Name the Kamata prince who was given to the Ahoms as per peace treaty after the first Ahom Kamata armed conflict during the time of Sukangkha. No? Sukangfa. Rajini or Ragini. How is the first Barpatra Gohain related to Suhungmu, stepbrother? He was the stepbrother of Suhungmu. The first Ahom Tipam conflict took place during the time of Sudangpa, which Ahom king adorned himself with the title Maharaja and Rajeshwar Chakravarti. So that is Sudangpa. The reign of which king marked the beginning of the first official entry of Hinduism to Ahom court. ठीक है तेव्हा कोण असले सुदांगफा অলপ আগতে পঢ়িলো which Ahom king shifted his capital to Bokota near Dihing, that is Suhungmung. Which Ahom ruler shifted his capital to Ghargaon, Suklangmung. Which Ahom king distributed the Ahom subjects into equal parts between the Borgohai and Buragohai, that is Subinfa. Kuladhar Chalia was the first president of the Assam Provincial Congress Committee, who was the first secretary, that is Nabin Chandra Bordoloi. The Treaty of Majuli 1563 was signed during the reign of which Ahom ruler, that is Sukangfa. In ancient Assam, Suvarnapit was the area lying between Rupahi and Bernali. According to the traditional belief, the earliest king of Pragyatisha who was a non-Aryan chief, was known as Mahiranga Danava. So that army chief is Mahiranga Danava. During ancient Assam, which river served as the western boundary of Assam, Karatoya or Sadanira? Ki asile which served as the western boundary of Assam. So west side of asile Karatoya or Sadarniya boli koisile. Who was the ruler of Assam during the time of Bhaktiyar Khilji? तो Bhaktiyar Khilji time of কোন আসলে পৃথু আৰু এটু অলরেডি মেনছত একবার আহি পাইছে ওকে পৃথুর বিষয় ওকে that during the time of Bhaktiyar Khilji's invasion okay তো write about পৃথু okay এটু এটা কোশ্চেন অলরেডি মেনছত আহি পাইছে. What was the another name of Prithu? That is Jalpeshwar. Which Kamata ruler shifted his capital from Kamrup Nagar to Kamatapur, that is Sandhya? In which year Bhaktiyar Khilji invaded Assam? 1206. Name the book written by Muslim historian Minhaj-i-Siraj, which mentions that Prithu was the ruler of Kamrup during Bhaktiyar Khilji's invasion. तो हे तो बुक टू नाम की आसिले Tabakat-i-Nasiri. Tabakat-i-Nasiri. Name the historian who came along Mir Jumla Shihabuddin Talish. Mir Jumla लगे लगे कौन आसिले historian to Shihabuddin Talish. The Lur dancer is traditionally performed during which festival? Yeah, the Lur dance is festival during Holi. Okay. Gatka is a popular martial art from which state and was started by whom? So Gatka, okay, popular martial art is from Punjab and it was started by Sikh Gurus. Fatehpur Sikri was the first planned city established by the Mughals. Khodia dance is associated with which state and is commonly performed at what occasions? So Khodia kar hoy Khodia dance to hoy Haryana, okay, and is performed during marriage or festivals. City to perform hoy. Chhappar Mela is organized in memory of which saint and in which month in Punjab? That is Saint Gugga Peer in September. Which dance is known as the folk dance of Punjab? Sammi. ठीक है, folk dance of Sammi at a folk dance of Punjab order. ठीक है, Ludi is a traditional folk dance of which Indian state? Okay. Traditional folk dance of Punjab. ठीक है, Sammi हो गल, ठीक ठीक है सर, लूडी हो गल, these are from Punjab. We have to remember that these dances are from Punjab. Agra Fort is known for its two famous gates. They are Delhi Gate and Singh Gate. In which year were the Ajanta caves included in the UNESCO World Heritage Site list? 1983. Also one of the most important questions about Ajanta, Ellora. Okay, the Kailash Temple, the largest rock cut monument in the world, is located in which cave? That is Ellora Caves. Kailash Temple kota se Ellora Caves. Okay. The monument of Mahabalipuram, located on the Coromandel coast, are in which district of Tamil Nadu? That is Kanchipuram. The Konark Temple was also known as Black Pagoda. Okay. Which of the temple is known as Black Pagoda? That is Konark Temple. In which year did UNESCO declare the monument of Hampi as World Heritage Site? That is 1986. The Khajuraho temples of Madhya Pradesh were built by the Chandelas. The Vesara style temple at Patadakal were built by Chalukyas. The Kandariya Mahadev temple is dedicated to Lord Shiva. Fatehpur Sikri was built by which Mughal emperor? So Fatehpur Sikri was built by Emperor Akbar. Khajuraho temple is located in which range of the central India? In the Vindhya range. The Olak Kaneshwara temple in Kanchipuram was built in the 18th century. Great Living Chola temple was designed as UNESCO World Heritage Site in 1987. What was the traditional attire worn by women performing the Rauf dance? ठीक है सर, फेरना. A Rauf dance to core her, that is Jammu and Kashmir. Okay. और फेरना यहाँ पे पिनी करने dance to core. Which festival marks the end of the Ramadan in the Jammu and Kashmir? That is Eid al-Fitr. Where is the largest tulip garden in Asia? That is Srinagar. In which district of Jammu and Kashmir is the Amarnath temple located? That is Pahalgam. Amarnath যদি যাব বিচারে তো জায়গাটুকু which district in the Jammu and Kashmir? Pahalgam. What is the largest freshwater lake in India located in Bandipora district of Jammu and Kashmir? That is Ular Lake. Ular Lake is the largest freshwater lake in India. Okay. Kota se Jammu and Kashmir. Konto district? Bandipora. Where is the world's only floating post office located in Jammu and Kashmir? That is Dal Lake. Only floating post office. Okay. Kota se Dal Lake. Where is Hemis Monastery located in Ladakh, India? That is Leh. Which dance is exclusively performed by men in the Kashmir Valley of Jammu and Kashmir? Only by men. Dhamali. Lora bilagi ki kore? Dhamali. ठीक है सर? So that is Dhamali dance. What is used as a prop during the Dhamali dance, where a circle is created around it and all four directions? That is flag. In which month is the Rauf dance organized in Kashmir Valley? That is Ramzan. Which dance similar to Dhamali involves young boys and girls holding hands and joining one leg together while performing? That is Hikat folk dance. Okay. So eta bhori uthai kena dance kore je. Which festival is known as Purple Revolution and initiated by the Ministry of Science and Technology in 2016? That is the Lavender Festival and is also known as the Purple Festival. Which traditional folk dance of Kashmir involves bhans wearing bizarre costumes and includes dance and music? That is Bhan Patthar. Bhan Patthar. Which traditional music played in Jammu and Kashmir known for telling stories, love stories and religious stories? That is Yakiri. Okay. Yakiri. Which painting style of Jammu and Kashmir has received the geographical indication tag Basholi painting? Okay. GI tag kuntur paise? Painting style, that is Basholi type of painting. Is a type of painting. Okay. In which temple in Katra is considered one of the main holiest Hindu temple in Jammu and Kashmir, that is Mata Vaishno Devi. Which dance is organized during the Losar festival by the people of the Changthang community in Ladakh, that is Jabro. Which festival in Ladakh marks the birth anniversary of Guru Padma Sambhav with grand prayers and sacred dances, that is Hemis festival. What is the major annual prayer of the Sangh community of Ladakh held on the 21st to 25th day of third month of the Tibetan lunar calendar? Molan Chenmo. Okay. What is the capital of Assam? So we know Dispur. Who was the first chief minister of Assam? Gopinath Bordoloi. Name the Brahmaputra's largest tributary. Okay. Brahmaputra's largest tributary, that is Subansiri River. In which year was Assam accorded statehood? 1950. What is the official language of Assam? Assamese. Who is the author of Bhagya Devi, the Queen of Happiness? That is Homen Borgohain. Which wildlife sanctuary is known for one-horned rhinos? Kaziranga National Park. Who is the current governor of Assam? That is Jagdish Mukhija নহয় ঠিক আছে What is the traditional Assamese dance form? That is Bihu dance. Name the largest river island in the world located in Assam. Majuli. Okay. Current governor of Assam কোন হয় একবার মোক কমেন্ট বক্সত লিখি দিব ঠিক আছে তো এইটো লাস্ট ভিডিওত একবার মই এটা ট্ৰিকে দি কেনে মুখস্থ কৰাইছিলো ওকে যদি সোৱা নাই একবাৰ চাই কেনে এই ট্ৰিকটোত কৈ দিব যে মই কি ট্ৰিক ইউজ কৰিছিলো ওকে আই ইউজ সাম ফ্লাৱাৰ অৰ সামথিং ওকে যে ফুল এনেকুৱা কিবা এটা দি কেনে মুখস্থ কৰাইছিলো কাৰেন্ট গভৰ্ণমেন্ট অফ আসাম তেওঁ আহিছে ইয়াৰ কাৰণে আমি তেওঁ কি দিছো ওকে in that way আমি মুখস্থ কৰিছিলো name the largest river island in the world located in Assam Majuli. Who wrote the famous Assamese novel Miri Jiori, that is Rajnikanta Bordoloi? What is the significance of the festival Bihu in Assam? Celebrates the Assamese New Year and agriculture festival. Which tea variety is Assam famous for? That is Assam tea. Who is known as the Bard of Brahmaputra? That is Bhupen Hazarika. Name the traditional Assamese silk. Muga silk. In which year did the Ahom dynasty establish its rule in Assam? That is 1228. Okay. Who composed the Assam state anthem? Lakshminath Bezborwa. What is the name of the traditional boat race in Assam? Naukhanda. Who is the first Assamese film director? Jyoti Prasad Agarwala. ठीक है सर which ancient Ahom capital is a UNESCO World Heritage Site? Shivsagar. Name the historical battle fought in Assam in 1671. That is Battle of Saraighat. Who was the founder of the Ahom dynasty? That is Sukafa. What is the main theme of Majuli festival in Assam? Celebrates the culture and tradition of the missing tribe. Okay. With this, আমি আমার জন্য একটা কোয়েশ্চন এরা গল না হুইজ দ্য কারেন্ট গভর্নমেন্ট অফ আসাম তো আমি মুখস্থ কি কৰিছিল গভর্নর আহিছে বেলেগ জায়গাৰ পৰা ৰাইট তো আমি প্ৰথম হিয়াতক কি দিছো আমি হিয়াতক প্ৰথম দিছো গুলাব ঠিক আছে তাৰ পিছত তেওঁ আহিছে কৰ পৰা চন্দ্ৰমা লগত কি লৈ আছে কাটাৰিয়া ঠিক আছে কটাৰি লৈ আছে তো গুলাব চাঁদ কাটাৰিয়া আমাৰ যোনটো গভৰ্নমেন্ট হয় হেতু যেতিয়া আহিছিল আমি কি দিছিলো গুলাব দিছিলো ঠিক আছে তাৰ পিছত আহিছে কৰ পৰা চন্দ্ৰমা পৰা চাঁদ আৰু লগত কি লৈছে কটাৰি লৈ আছে তো গুলাব চাঁদ কাটাৰিয়া ওকে with this আমাৰ 100 খতম হল ওকে তো নেক্সট 100 আমি নেক্সট ভিডিওত কমপ্লিট কৰিম ওকে তো আজি কাৰণে এখিনি ৰাখিলো থ্যাংক ইউ